Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech and Take. This channel is my small step towards achieving something big. To share the useful tech knowledge with clarity and simplicity. If you find value here, a like or subscribe really motivates me to keep going. Let's get into today's topic. In today's video, we will learn about what is SNS. Without further delaying, let's jump into the topic. What is SNS? SNS is a fully managed messaging service that allows you to send messages to many subscribers at the same time. We call it in simple term one message and many receivers, or we call it out as fan out, which means we have one message here in the diagram and that message is sent to SNS, and then SNS sending it into many receivers, say for example Lambda, SQS, S3 or other resources, so that we call it as fan out. What is public or subscribe model? SNS works on publish and subscribe pattern, or we call it as pub or sub model, or we call it out as fan out pattern as well. This is a very important topic, which means one message that's sent to multiple destination simultaneously. Okay, here we can see we have one publisher, and publisher sends the message to SNS and SNS sends the message to subscriber. That is called publisher subscriber model. Then, who is publisher here? Publisher is nothing but any service or application that sends the message to SNS. Example, EC2 instance or Lambda or CloudWatch or custom application or backend API. These all are the publishers. This all could send message to SNS, which means all of these services initiate the message or events to SNS. We have seen who is publisher. Let's see now who is subscriber. Subscribers are like email, SMS, SQS, Lambda, or any mobile push. The subscribers are all the resources which utilizes or which push the messages from the SNS, or which receives the message from the SNS. We understand what is SNS with real-time example. Here, when a customer places an order, okay, then order service publishes the message to SNS topic. Now, this SNS sends the message to email service, warehouse system, analytics systems, and SMS services. We can see here SNS sending messages to different places. One is to email service to send notifications or confirmation mail. One is to warehouse system to prepare the shipment. One is to analytics systems to update the dashboard, and one more is to SMS service to send order alert. And we can see how our sample message looks like. Here it says status is placed, amount, and order ID. So this information will send to different modules or different resources by SNS. So this is how in real time SNS works. Hope this concept is clear. The next topic in SNS is message filtering. That is advanced feature. Okay, so what is message filtering? In simple, when SNS sends messages to all the subscribers, it does not mean that all the subscribers should receive all the messages every time, because subscribers can filter the messages, which means they can set some rules from the subscribers end to receive only such kind of messages. Here in this example, if subscriber set event type as order placed, then that subscriber will receive events of that same type. Say for example, if there is one event occurred with order cancelled, by that time the subscriber won't receive that message, because subscriber is configured to receive only order placed. So this feature is to avoid receiving unnecessary messages to the subscribers and to get only specific messages. So this is how message filtering works in SNS. And along with that, subscribers can filter for order placed, order cancelled, any different kind of events they can filter it out. We have different security features in SNS. One is to secure SNS with access control. Access control means IAM policies and topic policies, which means who needs to have access to IAM policy, or which are all of the resources allowed to send messages or events into SNS. So for all this, we have IAM policies. And encryptions. We have default encryptions using KMS for our SNS. So this all comes under security. In the coming video, we will see how to create AWS SNS topic hands-on over AWS console. Please stay tuned for the coming videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.